Economic necessities and the benefits of globalization make it a given that India is or will be a part of your strategic plan, whether it be for bottom-line savings or top-line growth. Easy as that is to say, operating in India requires intimate knowledge of the culture, politics, religious beliefs, and a host of other factors that affect business transactions. Chiketa means knowledge. We at Chiketa use our knowledge of India to manage our customers' entire business experience in India. As we give you an overview of our company and our mission, we will point out the features and benefits of our business. Our logo, the cheetah, embodies the essence of our business model, speed. Speed and time are concepts lost in a society where a majority of the people believe that they have multiple lifetimes to accomplish what needs to be done. We educate our supplier partners on the imperative necessity of understanding the precious commodity of time, which is unfortunately limited to only one lifetime in the West. We don't tell our customers no problem, and then eventually fail to deliver results and only provide excuses. We simply tell our customers the truth. Sometimes it may not be easy, but we will get the job done, to your total satisfaction or money back. Performance delivered, guaranteed. That is Chiketa. Our company is managed out of the U.S., giving you the leverage of having a U.S. contact point not removed by 12 time zones. The financial transactions are all in U.S. dollars with Chiketa LLC, which is a U.S. corporation registered in the state of Indiana. This mitigates the financial and legal recourse risks and allows you to do business with confidence. While the management is U.S. based, we operate on the ground in India with our own technical and commercial staff in a private limited company whose majority shareholder is Chiketa LLC. As low-cost sourcing in China becomes more challenging due to increasing price pressures from a strengthening currency and wages, consider India your alternative plan for global sourcing. We assist Western clients from small and mid-sized companies located in North America, Europe, South America, Australia, in ways unimaginable unless one has experienced the reality of life in Asian countries. We bring a country that is far removed from our customers' familiar societies and cultures and make it accessible to them. Welcome to India. We make business in India manageable for our customers, allowing them to reap the rewards already being enjoyed by large corporations. Our primary involvement is in engineered and made-to-order products, such as castings, forgings, machine components, stamped and fabricated assemblies, and ferrous and non-ferrous materials. We have them manufactured to your specifications at competitive prices and delivered to you when you need them. We also offer a host of engineering services, including engineering design, analysis, drawings, and modeling. We manage everything from sales campaigns, trade shows, website design and quality inspection, to services as non-technical as payment collection and dispute resolution. Some may be tempted to perceive us as a needless layer, a middleman in the business transaction chain. To the contrary, we will be the first to extract ourselves from a transaction if we see that our presence does not add value. We are your coach on the journey through the trials and tribulations of doing business in India. Did you know that in the World Bank ratings of ease of doing business, India is ranked 132nd among 185 countries? In other words, it is easier to do business in more than 2/3 of the countries of the world than it is to do business in India. Now don't get us wrong, we don't intend to invoke fear through irrational facts or images, but simply wish to highlight the ground reality in India. It is a land of contrasts, congested, noisy, and chaotic. Yet modern, smooth, and organized in many areas. State-of-the-art modern technology on one end of the industrial spectrum. More commonly seen, semi-automated processes in well-managed factories, like this foundry, where you see molds being made in a squeeze jolt machine and conveyed to the pouring furnace. Then, of course, hands and feet can also be used to make molds, as you see here. Crude methods granted, yet effective, that are not too uncommon in India. When you operate remotely without actually having met your business partners and visited their facilities, you never know what you will end up receiving or not. A seemingly low cost starts getting expensive when you factor in all the costs associated with errors and delays. We are speaking of the TCO, the total cost of ownership. We guarantee lowest TCO out of India. Chiketa buffers you from the ground reality of India and allows you to truly enjoy the rewards of doing business in India, namely, saving money. And it is all about saving money. Let's take a look at cost savings through cutting procurement costs. The main component of that cost is in labor, which is why low-cost country sourcing is so popular and successful. Material costs, the other component of your spend budget, are essentially uniform throughout the world. Barring a few exceptions, they do not tilt the spend analysis equation significantly. However, unless the sourcing is managed well, the cost savings evaporate when TCO is taken into account. Chiketa works very closely with you to achieve the lowest cost of ownership of products sourced out of India. Let's take a closer look. We have a core group of thoroughly vetted suppliers, and we can find you new ones if your needs fall beyond their capabilities. We manage the entire supply chain from quote to delivery. We ensure that the suppliers have been assessed to meet high quality levels and your expectations. We manage all the roadblocks and unforeseen pitfalls that may crop up in the production cycle. 2D and 3D modeling and analysis using common software packages. We make sure product is conforming before it leaves the factory. Or we can help you with any sourcing related issues such as freight, customs clearance, regulatory compliance, and so on. Consider us an extension of your own procurement team working for you in India. Chiketa also helps companies make money by adding to their top-line revenues. If you are looking at adding to your top-line figures through selling in India, please contact us. Now that you know what we do, let's explain how we do it. There are numerous companies like us out there helping source from Asia. We are different. We pride ourselves in being different and unique. How is it that we are different? Simplicity. Only too often companies try to profit by creating confusion. We keep things simple by being honest and transparent in what we do. We plan our processes as per customer needs. We act on those plans, constantly checking to make sure that the plans are being followed. Then we deliver on our promises and make changes where necessary in order to continually improve. You choose the level of involvement you need Chiketa to have and only pay for the options that suit your needs. Our knowledge of quality systems is unparalleled. Quality is assured through statistical methods and predictive analysis of inspection data. We can see any problematic trends from analysis of the data and act on them immediately. The problems are therefore eliminated before shipment. Where in the world would you see people, cars, scooters, dogs, cows, camels, and elephants at the same intersection? Only in India. India is a vast and fascinating mixture of languages, regions, cultures, and people, with a potential that can be harnessed through sound planning and execution. Yet there, you also face unexpected hurdles that would be inconceivable in the Western world. We at Chiketa know India, where we have been operating for almost a decade. We are delighted to have the opportunity to accompany you and be your partner on your India journey. Thank you.